If you want to start earning money right away, then you should take a look at these best data entry jobs that pay $35 per hour or more. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 of the best data entry jobs that can be done remotely. You don't need to invest any time or money into any of these jobs. You just need a computer, an internet connection, and a few hours to spare. These jobs require little to no experience. See how these data entry jobs are perfect for students, mothers, retirees, and anyone looking for a side hustle to make some extra money. So, keep watching to the end. Check the description box to earn $1,000 or more every day instantly. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Many people desire work-from-home jobs as freelancers, contract employees, or full-time employees. Data entry jobs are straightforward and need just some school education, internet, and typing skills for entry-level work. You'll need some basic skills, software, and devices to get started in data entry. Typing speedily is your most advanced skill. You'll be paid every audio minute if you transcribe audio or video, so the faster you write, the more you earn. You must type properly. Transcribing and data entry requires accurate typing. Learning to touch type before you start looking for jobs might save you time. Also, you will need a laptop or PC and an internet connection. If you can do these things, you're set. Data entry jobs seem interesting, but earnings are low and higher paying opportunities are very competitive. To help you get started, I've compiled a list 7 of the best free platforms for data entry jobs. 1. Mechanical Turk. Turk is Amazon's crowdsourcing platform. This business connects remote employees with small job clients. Turk calls them micro-tasks. Data input is a common micro-task. So you can certainly find skill-matching work. Turk is a popular, growing platform. But some work-from-home jobs are time-consuming and low-paying. 2. Axion Data Services. Axion Data Services focuses on data entry. It doesn't regularly accept new applicants, but it's worth paying a little price to be included in its database in case it publishes new jobs. Axion requires 2 to 3 years of data entry experience and a 50 WPM typing speed. When you join, Axion connects you with data input contract employment. Independent contractors at Axion are paid piece by piece and work 20 to 25 hours a week. Because of the excellent pay, so getting a spot might be difficult. 3. Data Plus. Data Plus recruits data entry clerks, MS Access programmers, mail, document handlers, and administrative assistants. The only prerequisites are a computer and high-speed internet. To get started, just upload your application and wait to be contacted. 4. Dion Data Solutions. Dion Data Solutions provides data management services to government agencies and businesses. It recruits typists to undertake data entry, which entails transferring information. Medical claims, surveys, and inventory are processed. You must have a 60 WPM typing speed, basic computer abilities, and U.S. citizenship. 5. The Data Entry Company, TDC. TDC is the world's biggest business processing outsourcing firm. Data entry clerks are always needed. You'll need to send an email with your application and resume and wait for them to respond with open positions. Because fewer jobs are listed, your chances may be better. 6. Clickworker. Clickworker is a micro-tasks platform, yet many jobs are data entry. After registering, you must pass an evaluation to determine your career prospects. Like similar sites, Clickworker pays piece by piece. Writing and researching are low-skilled occupations they provide. You may sign up to have relevant postings sent to your email. 7. Microworkers. Microworkers offers micro-tasks. It includes data entry. Some of their jobs pay higher than other sites. You only get paid for approved work. You'll see how many other employees have been approved, which will assist you to avoid scams. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.